Hey everyone, this is Nan from Paper Peas. I have a DeSTASH box. It's going to be $35, shipping included. I'm going to include a Colorbok 8.5 by 11 ivory 50 sheet paper pad. It's going to have another Colorbok paper pad, 50 sheets. This is the primary color. It is going to have Jen Hadfield Flower Child card making kit. There are 544 pieces in this kit. I am including Jen Hadfield Flower Child paper pad. This is a paper pad that I think it is 6 by 9. It has 36 pages. There are 2 of each design, and as you can tell, it has foil in it as well. I am including a Jen Hadfield, I never get this right, Heart Loves Home, Heart to Home paper pad. I am including a Jen Hadfield My Bright Life paper pad. I am including some mixed ephemera. One is going to be a Jen Hadfield. I think this is Chasing Adventures ephemera. There are 40 pieces in here. I'm including a Vicky Bouton set of ephemera. I don't know which kit this is from, to be honest with you. I don't know, but it has 50 pieces in there. I'm including a pack of the DIY Shop bows. I am including a pack of Damask Loves, or these layer tags. I am including a pack of these. I'm including a pack of the Paper Studio, these die cuts. I just think these have a way of just blending in well with the Jen Hadfield theme. I'm including this Sticko sticker. Life is cool and so are you. It's just one large piece. I am including this DCWV dot tag stack. Everyone, please forgive me. Also in this particular pack is going to be a set of these Arteza glitter gel pens. These are the colors on the back. These have never been opened. And I am including the Celebration sticker book. Here are the stickers on the back. Once again, this is going to be $35 shipped, and the link to purchase is in the description. There's also going to be a discount code applicable to this particular box. Thanks so much for tuning in to Paper Peas.